Right? Oh, welcome to the car. My protein and just overall better choices. I really have to worry about the elasticity. And right now I'm having, what is this called? I'm having, like if it's like a cocktail drink. Got the unhealthy part, you know, you gotta give it an even. No, I'm just kidding. Right? Oh, welcome to the car. Unfortunately, I lost power into the car because I had to charge my phone. I have a bare face. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and myself a little bit more together. And I just finished my vanilla protein. This, can we see? Yes, it is crazy how time is going by. This is the first week back. Started the basketball and the volleyball. This weekend is their first weekend of games. So we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, try to keep ourselves together because we are going to sleep later because their practices are later. Oh, by the way, talking about that protein stuff, I did bring my protein bar. I don't limit myself, but I am trying to really up my protein and just overall better choices. So it's sort of, I think it's already melting, but this pure protein bar is called Galactic Brownie, but it has little confetti and it's actually, out of all the protein bars, this is actually really, really good. I've tried other kinds before, and this one, I remember seeing some YouTuber just trying out like different protein bars, and this was like the best option just because it doesn't really have like too many sugars and stuff. It's actually just 1 gram of sugar. I don't really follow the calories too much, but it has 180 and then it has like 20 grams of protein. Like, that's great. Oh, and this one actually has 30 grams of protein. So again, I do like to, when I am trying to eat right and just like work out and tone and everything like that, I try to follow like a macros sort of, which is trying to follow the amounts based off of my height and my weight and my age, and I'm supposed to have like a certain amount of protein and a certain amount of carbs and fat during the day. So I really try to sort of, I'm trying to get back into that. Here, can we even see it? I might have to put the little picture on it. This one right here, it is a fade away acne spot treatment, and it has 5% benzoyl peroxide. So anywhere like I have like any little acne spots and stuff like that after little breakouts and stuff, you know, I use that and I feel like it's been really, really good. Another thing, ooh, you okay, Mr. Loki? Well, Loki's with me. That I have been using for about a month is this Neutrogena Stubborn Marks PM treatment. It's fragrance free and it's retinol, which retinol, oh my gosh, all the benefits, especially in the age frame that I am in. I really have to worry about the elasticity and all of that stuff about my skin. I really, really try my best to take care and try to stay up to date with my stuff. Well, I've been trying to get into a consistent state. So, but yes, I've been noticing a lot of changes on that. And then the other product that is Bubble, obviously know that we need our SPF Daily Mineral Sunscreen. This is a Solar Mate and it's like a little pump and it has SPF 40. So I basically like to apply those right before I end up putting like, you know, any other products in my face. My sister ended up sending me like a care package last year. I ran out of my serum and I was noticing how much that was helping out in my under eyes. It's so crazy. And she sent me the link of the stuff, so I need to like purchase those. Yeah, because anything that can help. I just got my power back. So we will resume later. A little later it turned into a new day, okay? Anyways, hello, welcome. Welcome. What I was talking about, I honestly, it has become like a little favorites video. Ooh, Tommy's calling me. He started off work early. Pause. So I've been off for a couple hours. Tommy started work like around 2:30 this morning. Get my situation situated. Taking a little bit of my supplements. I've noticed that I have been taking my supplements earlier in the morning only because the supplements that I've been taking have been really light on the stomach and stuff. And right now I'm having, what is this called? I'm having, like if it's like a cocktail drink. Liquid drops are for joint support plus mobility and flexibility, pineapple flavor, and it has turmeric, chondron. I'm trying to like oil the joints. Take a few drops of that. It's usually like 2 ml drops on it. I also been taking the vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B1, niacin and folate. It was recommended by my doctor to take these vitamins in liquid form. I used to take my vitamin B12. I used to inject them myself just because I was, obviously I needed it. But the doctor said that this is actually as kind of like equivalent. Anyways, the point is, I did notice from lab work and everything like that, after taking a lot of these supplements, it's been about a year. now, and everything is pretty good. So these have been an absolute staple for me. End up taking some, what is this called? Celtic salt. My sister did give me this. My sister ended up sending me a whole bunch of holistic herbal products, or just items in general that she was already implementing in her lifestyle. This one is actually Celtic salt, and it's actually amazing for you. I just really been trying to like better myself. So actually ended up doing my face really quick. I didn't realize how fast time went by and I needed to start work. So I just kind of like put a couple of things. I'll share the products. It's been a couple of hours, so I'm taking a little break. I have to grab the Kroger's because it just got here and I needed a few things. So let me just see. Let me just go ahead and grab that and maybe show what I got. So planning to do some pasta tomorrow. I'm thinking Alfredo. And I ended up getting the Dole Caesar, Ultimate Caesar. I really enjoy these. Got these pepperonis because I am going to be making a pizza for after the kids get home from school, just before practice, because obviously they come home super starving and then they're obviously starving after practice. So gonna do like a quick little pizza here, and I needed some pepperoni along with some mozzarella cheese. So I really enjoy the mozzarella. Got those 2 packets. And then for dinner, just because we get home close to like 9, I don't want to have like a crazy heavy dinner. So obviously we do need to eat something. We could do like a protein shake or something, but we like to have, something on that you can chew. So we're gonna make some turkey and cheese, lettuce, mayo, all the good stuff kind of sandwich with some sourdough bread. So I got some Kobe Jack cheese, and I did get some turkey. I do have some leftovers salami. That's Loki drinking water. Also, I was running out of butter, and I've been getting the Blue Bonnet. I just find it so convenient. I know I am trying to be healthier. I'm working myself back up. I got the Kroger's. Can we see this? Can we see this good? This is the sourdough, the Private Selection sourdough bread from Kroger's. It's absolutely delicious. I really, really like it. This one is wide pan bread. It's like really thick and it's really high on protein. It literally has 4 grams of protein per slice, so it's really cool. I like to make a lot of variety in potatoes, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, just chopped up fries and stuff like that. So I normally do get the russet potatoes. Got a 5-pound for that. 5 pounds, right? Yep, 5 pounds. Got the unhealthy part, you gotta give it an even. No, I'm just kidding. No, we got the soda. The kids do enjoy soda, obviously, and I do like me a cup. No, my battery is dying, so let me hurry. Got ragu sauce because I do like to use this for the pizza. It actually tastes really, really good. Also, because I'm making the pasta, I'm gonna be doing, I do like linguine. And this is the ragu Alfredo sauce I'm gonna be using. With the pasta, of course, I gotta have some garlic breadsticks. And I just ran out of my almond milk. So I've been noticing that I just need to get the bigger one, which this one is the Almond Breeze, but it doesn't normally matter. I like to use any of the almond milks. They all taste fine to me. I really like almond milk for some reason, aside from regular, cow's milk. This is the one that I've just been drinking since I stopped being plant-based. I never went back to cow's milk, but I don't mind if I do have to drink it. I did get a Starry, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's the grocery haul. I'm gonna do my makeup here, okay? This one, these are tan neutral, tan sand. about to feed the chickens. We've been working on building a new little house for the chickens, and look at how it looks. You're the culprit. You could hear them in the background, like throughout the whole time. Qué lindo. The new girls. Let me see. My goodness. I'm gonna grab
Which one? What do you think first?
Actually, let me get these kitty keys first. Hello. Oopsies. Careful, girls. Oh my goodness! I know. Sure. Okay, they are like, what's up? What's up? Don't get my toes, okay? Oh, okay. Alrighty. Guys, I'm sorry, there's no food in here. Thank you. Thank you.
I just asked you something, and you didn't answer.
Sorry. Wow. Looks awesome. Whoa. So nice.
You gotta have that. There we go. I need it. Where's the plant?
You look so good.
Right?
Yeah.